Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So in order to customize it, we have to enter the settings, then let's tap on the display. And here we have to find the night light. As you can see, we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish or even amber, and the colors are a little bit dull. It is because your device just applied the blue light filter, and thanks to it, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then this mode in the device is totally for you. I highly recommend to use it so you will not feel the eye pain. So of course you can leave it like that, but if you want, you can tap on night light in order to customize it. As you can see, I've got the intensity set on the highest or the warmest setting. Of course you can go to the left and it will be cooler, much cooler. However, the yellow light is still visible comparing to the night light turned off. So it's up to you, of course, which option you want to use. I will stick with the warmest option. What is more, you can schedule that feature. Right now we've got the none, which simply means that you have to turn on and off this option manually, or you can turn it on at custom time. You will be able to pick the start and the end time, as you can see here, or from sunset to sunrise, and it simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise is, or it is, I believe, location based. It's up to you. I prefer to turn it on and off manually. And basically this is the whole customization of this night light or eye comfort mode, and I'd like to show you much faster access to this feature, so you won't have to go through the settings, etc. to turn it on. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully here, and then let's go to the right to find the night light. Right now it is of course on. If you will tap on it, you can turn it off, and the same situation if you want to turn it on in this level, in this section. Alright, so basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.